Ever since we were kids, we've been told, study hard, get a job, work your way up, and things will work out. And sure, that works for a normal life. But no one told us what it really takes to build wealth. And I was trying to figure out the answer to this question. And here's the truth. The richest industries in the world don't just sell products, they sell emotions. They tap into fear, insecurity, hope, and package the fix. Let me show you the psychological triggers that actually move money. Trigger 1, the easy money fantasy. Make money while you sleep. Passive income in 3 steps. You've seen it. We want success without burnout. Who doesn't? But here's the twist. The only person actually making easy money is the one selling you that dream. They're not selling knowledge, they're selling hope. Trigger B2, parental guilt. I just want the best for my kid. It sounds noble, and it is. But guilt? That's a goldmine. From overpriced tutoring to baby genius programs and endless learning apps, parents don't want their child to fall behind, and companies sell that comfort. Trigger 3, the desire to be desired. Makeup, fashion, skincare, gym memberships, cosmetic surgery. There's a massive industry built around one core human need. We want to feel attractive, wanted, enough. First, they show you an ideal. Then they offer you a product to chase it. And they never stop, because insecurity sells better than anything else. Trigger 4, fear of missing out. That anxious feeling when it seems like everyone's getting rich off something, and you're the only one left behind? That's FOMO. Crypto, NFT hype, meme stocks, AI tools, online courses. Dropshipping is its fear. And businesses know how to turn that fear into profit. They push urgency, scarcity, hype. They don't need you to understand. They just need you to act fast. Now you know, real money is made by understanding emotions, not just selling stuff. This isn't a how-to video. It's something to think about. Want more trigger breakdowns? Drop a comment and hit subscribe.